guys, it is part 2, and I'm so excited to be seeing what happened to the doll. Okay, you guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, you guys. It rose so much. Now you just gotta go. Smush it, smush it. Smush it, smush it. Now we have to mix this and this. So, I don't think it matters what order. Yeah. Do not think so. That was awesome. That smells like, I thought it was like actually gonna smell good, but I changed my mind. It smelled good and then it smelled bad. Now we have to gently mix the things. I mean, not the brown sugar and the cinnamon. I'm gonna smush it down and then it'll mix. Seems fun. We set these all in order. Dough, Hershey's, that's what they're called, buttery thingy, and the stuff that I showed you. So cinnamon and brown sugar, all of that. So I'll show you how you make it. You're going to take a ball of this, well, not a ball yet. You're gonna put that in there and just kind of roll it up like this. Dip it in butter and then into this. Get all of the sides. You might have to roll it out a little bit, but yeah. So like that, or like this. This one's probably a better one, but who knows. Let's do one more and we'll be back. And then also, as I'm doing this, I'm gonna tell you something. So, you have to wait another hour. I know, it's crazy. You have to wait so much. I'm gonna a little more of that. But anyways, you have to wait, you have to let it all sit once you fill up like a pan or something, whatever you do. And then basically, you just gotta wait an hour and then we'll be back in another, well, for you guys it's gonna seem like another 1 second, but for us, it's another hour. Okay. Ooh, this one actually came out not that bad. Not too shabby, eh? No. We'll be back. Woo! That was actually pretty fun. But now you have to let it sit for an hour. Like, it's silly. You have to make it sit for such a long time. Put the tarp on it. That should be good. We'll see you in an hour. We've waited like so long. Well, basically an hour, so that's long. Anyway, you guys could probably guess what I'm doing by the oven, little knob things. Okay, I'll just tell you. So you're going to preheat oven to 350. Okay, I'm so excited for this part. Okay, oh, this is so exciting. Let's open. Oops. Let's open it up and go. Make sure to leave a like if this looks delicious. I just want to eat it. But we have to put these in the oven or else this is going to taste disgusting. Wait, what am I doing? I need to open the oven in order to put the thing in. Make sure you get your parents' help with this because ovens get pretty hot. Okay, let's add this in. I'm going to use one hand, try to attempt pushing it in with one hand. This is like, I put it in the middle and it wouldn't fit. Okay, so now that it's in this big oven, you have to bake it for 14 minutes because if it's not baked, it's going to taste. How do you do this again? Oh, haha. you one thing, it smells really good, but it's probably super hot. Make sure you have her permission. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It looks amazing. Let's close this. And it smells even better. Now we have to let it set for 5 minutes. Okay, look at this. Okay, it broke a little bit, but to be honest, does it really matter about the looks? You know, when it's about the taste? Yeah, it's better when it tastes good. Oh my, I didn't even realize that. It was a big chunk fell off. Well, see you in the next one. Bye!